Hi, this is Luke from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Toyota Prado, stock number 6272. It was ran from the 2015 to the current shape. It has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front door mirror, left rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, spare wheel cover, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front guard, no dents, right front door, no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,